As conservationists, we have goals. Big goals. Goals like building a livable climate, healthy communities, and a thriving planet. As we head towards our shared goals, imagine for a moment we are on a highway. On the highway, there are a lot of cars, each representing a different conservation project or strategy. At the Nature Conservancy, it can often feel like we are on a crowded highway. There is so much work that it can feel like we're stuck in a traffic jam. It can be hard to make the kind of forward progress we know we are capable of and that our planet desperately needs. That's where portfolio management comes in. Effective portfolio management helps us manage the flow of traffic, our projects and strategies, for greater impact. We start by looking at the on-ramp. What conservation efforts are we giving the green light? Should we be more intentional to maximise our potential impact and keep the flow of traffic moving for everyone? Then we consider the exit ramps. Some lead to other roads, partner organisations that might be a better fit to take the work forward. And some exit ramps lead to parking lots. Some of our best ideas might not work, or maybe it's not yet time for them. That's okay. Either way, we can responsibly transition the work to free up people and resources for other important work. Additionally, we use express lanes. It makes sense to dedicate focus and resources to the proven solutions we know have an outsized impact. Many cars on the highway are not yet ready for the exit ramp or express lane, but instead they use evidence to find the best path forward, potentially making meaningful adjustments to their strategy along the way. Portfolio management brings all these pieces together to drive progress and make the journey more enjoyable for everyone. The decisions we make about what cars should come onto the highway, take an exit ramp, or get in the express lane are important decisions with meaningful consequences. We want these decisions to be based on evidence, ideally using indicators we align on ahead of time to inform these decisions. We all want to achieve as much impact as possible and help the Nature Conservancy become the organisation the world needs us to become. Let's be thoughtful about our road to get there.